Journee and Ivy, Educational Kidtainment.
Coming.
Oh, it won't come out. Oh no, what are we going to do? It's stuck. Oh no.
The top is not. The top is on. Yes.
And these are super strong.
If we need to wipe our hands, let's get our paper towels and wipe them there.
No problem.
Then when we're done, we can wipe next one.
Okay.
Then wipe till we're done.
Okay, sounds good to me.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Hello. How are you doing today?
Hello.
How are you?
Are you ready for?
Circle time with Journee Ivy?
Yay, you did it. All right, guys. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Circle?
Circle time. Starting with this month here. You know the song?
Yeah.
January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December.
These are the months of the year.
These are the months of the
year.
Good job, Journee. That was great singing. All right. So,
Are you on the green one?
yes, we are. Do you happen to know the name of the green one?
No.
It's March.
March.
March. Show me how you march, Journee. March. March. Marching. It's March. We're in March. We're marching to our seats. Go sit back down and march back to your seat. Ivy. March back to your seat. Good job. Our Days of the Week song goes like this.
Days of the week.
Clap.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
There's
Sunday and it's Monday. It's Tuesday and it's Wednesday. It's Thursday and it's Friday. It's Saturday and a week.
clap. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Let's go. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Good job. Okay, so now we move on to the weather. What's the weather like today, Journee? What do we see? Blue sky. See some clouds?
Yeah.
Blue sky and clouds. What is that? I say it's a sunny day. Okay, shapes again today. What shape is this?
Good.
Square. Good job, baby. What shape is this?
Circle.
Triangle. What shape is it, Journee?
Circle.
Triangle. What about this one? What shape is this?
Star.
Star. Psh, psh, you get a star. Star for you. Star for you. What shape is this?
Pentagon.
Pentagon. Abby, what shape is it?
Pentagon.
Yes. And what shape is this? Circle. What shape is it? Circle.
Circle.
And what shape is
This.
this?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. And what shape is this?
Oval.
What shape is it?
Oval.
Oval. But what about this one? Is it tricky? What shape is that? Do we know it now?
Hexagon.
That's right. And what shape is that?
Diamond.
What shape?
Diamond.
What's another word for diamond?
A rhombus.
Rhombus. Psh, good job. Here we go to our colors. What color
Red.
is this?
Red.
Red and
Orange.
orange and
Yellow.
yellow and
Green.
green and
Blue.
blue and Purple and
Violet.
that's what they say.
Let's go.
Violet.
Go.
Did you say indigo?
Yeah.
Did you say indigo?
Yeah.
Give me a 5.
I'll send you
Indigo. No, it's not indigo, but I'm just surprised she knows the word indigo. All right, now let's count, guys.
1 umbrella.
Mm-hmm.
2 pencils. 3 ice scoops. 4 stars. 5 bees. 6 balloons. 7 cars. 8 trees. 9 rain.
Rain clouds and
9
what number is this?
10 ladybug. What's this song?
Stars.
Hi,
Journee and Ivy.
Enjoy.
You enjoy today? Nice. Joy. Joy. What does joy begin with? What letter? Could it be the letter J? J, because we are on letter J, right? Let's see what letters we've done so far. A is for alligator and B is for bear. C is for cookie and D is for dinosaur. E is for egg and F is for fairy. G is for giraffe and H is for hula. I is for ice cream, and now we're doing the letter J. Journey, are you ready to do the letter J craft?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right. Okay. Why are you doing that? You're so weird. Okay, we're going to do our letter J craft. Okay, so what letter is it? J. And what sound does it make? J. So first, tell me how to do it.
So first you put glue on the back, then you flip it over, then you get a jelly bean, and then you glue that, and then you then you're done.
All right, now we have some construction paper. Jelly bean. Go dot 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 dot. I am going to pick different colored jelly beans. What letter is it?
Dark.
J.
Okay.
J, give me 5. Yeah.
I
You
did
did?
that.
Beautiful. Okay. So what did we learn today?
J.
J is for
Jelly bean.
jelly bean and
Honey.
oh, it won't come out. Oh no. What are we going to do? It's stuck. Oh no.
The top is not. The top is on. There's
Ugh.
Diddy.
Oh, pop on the bottom. Yeah, that's a good trick.
There's high.
Yeah.
Cool.
Mm.
Yes.
And Lisa's super strong. We have a science experiment.
Hello.
You want to eat some jelly beans?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's play with some jelly beans. J is for jelly bean. Do you want to make a rainbow?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's see if we can do it. Jelly bean experiment. Let's make a rainbow. everything changing? Oh, look. Look at it. Stand up. You see? What do you see happening?
It's exploding.
They're exploding?
Yeah.
Yeah, the colors are bleeding, huh?
What is bleeding?
Bleeding means just letting out a little color from their little candy coating. Isn't that pretty? Look at the water. It's changing colors. That is so pretty. Wow, more color. I'll get 2 more. And that is all. 2.
More jelly.
2 more. That's right. 2 more jelly beans. I see it. Not those. It's turning. It's like a pretty swirl. It kind of looks like unicorn tears.
You remember the guy who took all the memories inside out?
Uh-huh.
What's her name?
And Inside Out? You took all the memories. Is it joy?
No.
Anger?
No.
One more. That's it. Uh-oh, sorry.
I died.
Fear, disgust, sadness. What about it?
What? What's the guy on the TV?
Oh. Frustration.
Mommy, it got.
You might turn into anger in a second.
I am?
I don't know. Are you? Oh, okay. Are you sure?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Whoa! Look at the colors now. Stand up and look. See how pretty that is? What are those?
Double.
What are those, Ivy?
Double.
Jelly beans?
J.
And what letter does jelly bean start with?
J.
J. What sound does J make?
Jelly.
J. Jelly bean. So pretty.
Bye, bye. Bye. Like new pizza.
Strong like Louisa.
Okay.
You did it. Okay, see you tomorrow.